Planning a trip to London and wondering where to go? Well, you're in for a treat. We're about to embark on a journey exploring the top 5 must-visit places in this vibrant city. From the grandeur of historical landmarks to the serene beauty of gardens and squares, London's allure is just irresistible. These places hold the essence of London, offering every traveler a unique experience. So, whether you're a history buff, a nature lover, or an urban explorer, there's something for you. Stay tuned as we count down the top 5 must-visit places in London. Starting our countdown at number 5, we have the British Museum. This iconic institution is a testament to human history, art, and culture. With a vast collection spanning over 2 million years, the British Museum is a gateway to the world's heritage. From the Rosetta Stone to Egyptian mummies, every nook and cranny tells a story of civilizations that once thrived. One of the best things about the British Museum, it's free to enter. Yes, you heard it right. This treasure trove of history doesn't cost a penny to explore. As for when to visit, autumn is an excellent choice. The weather is pleasant and the museum is less crowded, giving you ample space to soak in the marvels. So whether you're a history buff, an art enthusiast, or simply a curious soul, the British Museum is a must-visit. Just imagine strolling through the corridors of time, viewing artifacts that have witnessed the rise and fall of empires. The British Museum is a treasure trove of history waiting to be explored. Coming in at number 4 is the historic Tower of London. This prominent landmark, steeped in 1,000 years of history, is a must-see for any visitor. As a royal palace, it was the home of kings and queens, the backdrop for grand banquets and political intrigue. As a prison, it held some of the most notorious criminals of their time, their stories forever etched in its stone walls. And as a treasury, it safeguarded the nation's wealth, including the dazzling crown jewels, which continue to captivate visitors today. But the Tower of London isn't just about the past. In the spring, its surrounding gardens burst into a riot of colors, creating a picturesque contrast against the fortress's imposing grey stone. The scent of blooming flowers and the cheerful calls of the resident ravens add to the unique charm of this place. A visit to the Tower of London is like stepping back in time. Number 3 on our list is the vibrant Covent Garden. This place is a bustling hive of activity. The heart of Covent Garden is its market, pulsating with life as vendors peddle their wares and shoppers haggle for the best deals. Here you'll find everything from vintage trinkets to artisanal goodies and fresh produce. Venture a little further, and you'll be greeted by high-end boutiques, showcasing the latest trends and offering a shopping experience like no other. If fashion is your passion, this is your paradise. But it's not just about the shopping. Covent Garden is also a stage for some of the city's best street performances. You'll witness everything from enchanting magic tricks to breathtaking acrobatics, each performance adding another layer to the area's lively atmosphere. We recommend visiting during the summer. The longer days and warmer weather make Covent Garden's vibrant energy even more infectious. Covent Garden is a hub of excitement and culture in London. At number 2, we have the iconic London Eye. This giant observation wheel on the south bank of the River Thames is not just a ride, it's an experience. As you ascend to the apex of the wheel, you are treated to an unparalleled view of the city. The sprawling metropolis unfolds beneath you, with landmarks like the Houses of Parliament, St. Paul's Cathedral, and the Shard becoming tiny specks on the horizon. It's recommended to visit during the evening hours. Why, you ask? The mesmerizing view of the sunset painting the cityscape in hues of gold and crimson is something you won't want to miss. The London Eye offers a unique perspective of the city. Every look, every glance presents London in a new light, a new angle, a new perspective. And finally, at number 1, we have Buckingham Palace. This majestic edifice is the official London residence of the Queen and has served as the administrative headquarters of the monarch since 1837. The grandeur of Buckingham Palace, with its iconic balcony where the royal family greets the public, is a sight to behold. One of the highlights here is the changing of the guard ceremony, a vibrant display of British pomp and pageantry. It's best to visit in the morning to beat the crowds and fully immerse yourself in the spectacle. The palace stands as a symbol of continuity, representing the nation's history and its people. Truly, Buckingham Palace is the epitome of London's royal heritage.